Okay, so we have here. Where is the dog?
Is
This one.
yes.
A cat.
Yes, is there.
The bottom left corner.
Yes.
The girl.
Does
The girl has black hair.
Yes.
Okay. She's Asian.
Mhm.
We have the boy here.
The
What color is the airplane?
has
Yeah.
a red,
Red.
and a white.
Red and white. Red and white. The car. Where is the car?
Car is there.
Picture beneath the man's picture.
Yes.
Okay. So what color? What color is the car?
Has red and he's
The car is red.
yes, and he's white.
Where is the white?
Here. You see it?
No, those are lights.
Yes, that's why.
The car's lights.
Yes.
The man. You see the man? Okay.
He has a glasses.
Okay. Describe the woman.
Woman, he's
She has short hair.
she has a smile.
She's smiling. She has a beautiful smile.
Yes. Yes, teeth is white. So white.
An airplane. Where is the airplane?
Is there.
Yeah, it's here. A horse. Where's the horse?
There.
What is he doing?
He's running.
He's running. The horse is
He's
running.
got our exercise.
What color is the ball?
Is blue and white.
Blue and white. Ball is blue and white. What is the elephant doing?
Is drinking water.
He's drinking water. Yeah. That's right.
He has so big.
A man and a woman. A man and a woman. What is she doing?
He has a cup.
She is. She's drinking.
She's drinking.
Water?
No.
What is she drinking? Coffee?
Coffee
It's
with
coffee.
no. It's coffee with chocolate.
Coffee with chocolate.
Is
Milk with chocolate.
Milk with chocolate.
Milk with chocolate.
I love hot chocolate.
A girl and a woman.
The girl has what's his name?
Yellow coat.
Yellow coat and
pink pants.
Pink pants.
And
his mom.
Her mom.
Her mom. Yes.
She's wearing. She is wearing black coat or a black jacket.
Black jacket, and he has a black straight hair.
Oh, she has a black straight.
And his girl.
Her
girl has white and yellow short straight hair. Like me.
White and yellow.
Yes. But you don't see?
White and yellow. This is white and yellow?
Yes.
White.
Here's
don't see white.
Here's the rice. Can you say it?
Blonde hair. Say blonde hair. Yeah. The man and the boy. Where's the man and the boy?
Here is the man.
They are.
I don't know.
You don't know what the man is doing.
He is reading for his boy, and the boy is listening to
So story.
Yes.
Okay.
Story that
A cat in the car.
The car has white.
He's white.
He's white,
Yeah.
and the cat is gray, and his foot
His legs
are
white.
are white.
One of his legs is white.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to go to sleep.
A girl on the horse.
He's going to put it in his house.
Ah, stable.
No,
Mm.
the girl, the girl. He go for her horse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A house.
Uh,
They are
um,
walking
Yes, walking
to the farm.
to
the farm.
house the horse.
To the barn.
Yes, to put it for no one miss it and
Okay. A girl and a dog. What are they doing?
he's playing.
They are playing, both of them.
Yes, and the dog
She's playing with the dog.
dog is
He's pushing up his legs.
yes,
His front
and
legs.
the girl he has a sausage.
Sausage.
Yes, and the girl and the dog he want to eat it. I don't know. Oh, the basically
Like a boy and a dog. You have the boy and you have the dog.
the dog is
Hungry.
yes, and the boy is smile.
Smiling.
Yes,
He has a smile on his face.
yes, but the dog is saying.
Okay. The boy and the airplane.
The boy wants to climb into airplane to go into the France.
France.
Yes, go and look what is there.
A boy on a horse.
A girl.
A boy.
A boy?
Yes.
I don't see it.
Yeah, a boy on a horse.
He's going to the.
A ball and a ball. This is the ball and this is the ball.
Yes,
What color is the ball?
is rainbow.
The boy's color
Is black.
is black.
Brown.
Brown. Okay. Let's say brown. I know.
And short hair short hair
Short. He has short hair. Yeah?
and black.
Short black hair.
Yes.
A girl and a horse.
Yes.
You have the girl and she's.
He has a
She
white.
has- she-
He has a white straight hair.
She,
And
this is white.
yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What I see is brown.
No, because the you know this.
Yeah.
The
The sun.
yes, the sun. He's white, and the sun is
Oh, okay.
lime in the hair is brown,
So,
but he's white.
okay. Her hair is blonde. She is blonde.
Yes, and her
because because of the sun. Here we can see that her hair is blonde.
yes,
Okay.
but the horse is not hair. Yeah, in the background.
A man on a horse.
Yes.
Yeah.
The horse is so faster.
So fast. Okay.
And he's jump and the money go to fall now.
Okay.
And the horse is going to the
Boy.
farm.
The boy and the dog.
The dog is not smile. And
He's not happy. He's not smiling. Okay.
yes.
Mhm.
And the dog and the boy is smile and angry.
At the same time,
Yes.
he's smiling and he's angry.
Like it.
Okay. The boy and the ball. So you have the boy here.
Yes.
The ball is here.
Yes.
Okay. What colors
A
is
ball.
the ball?
Is blue and yellow and pink.
Okay.
And white.
And what? Like a rainbow.
Yes.
The ball under the table. And you have the ball here. And he's under the table. What is this?
Is
What is this?
it's
Grass.
grass,
Yeah.
green,
Green grass. Okay.
and the table
Table
is
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 brown.
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 And the boy he has short
Yeah.
dress,
T-shirt.
t-shirt,
A
white
T-shirt.
and the and he has a peach.
Beach.
You know,
Oh. Picture of a beach.
Yes.
Okay.
Like, oh no, I don't see it.
A boy under an airplane. You have the boy here. And he's under
That's
an
the
airplane.
I'm playing.
Yeah.
He got,
He's
and
under an airplane.
yes,
Okay.
and his dog, he's so scared.
A boy under a table. You have the boy, and he's under a table.
Table.
A boy on a table.
Yes.
Where is he? In fact,
In
is this a forest?
yes, it's
I think we find the tables in the forest.
no,
I think it's
no,
just
no. Wait, that.
okay.
And he's in the house because he
Let's
has
see.
because his house here
Mm.
and the forest
Mm.
is here and the tables for sitting
So
and
he's
look.
so he's living near the forest.
Yes, because he's forest. He has something to
A boy on an airplane.
yes.
So you have the boy here,
Yes.
and he's on an airplane.
Yes, he's angry.
Right? A boy under an airplane.
He's, you see, it's scared.
A boy in a car.
He's not smiling.
It's not smiling. No, I think that he's smiling. A little bit.
Yes, a little bit.
He's putting his hand on the edge of the window, of the
Yeah.
car window.
Mm. Like I beautiful.
Okay.
I think
A woman in a car.
he has a big smile.
She has.
Yes,
She's not a
big.
man. She has.
She has big
She's,
smile.
Yeah, she's smart. Okay. A boy and a girl in the boat. So they have these two children.
What is this?
A boat.
No, not this.
Ah, this
This,
one.
yes.
Puddle. This is a puddle.
Why it has?
So you can move on water.
But the water, it can.
No. Perhaps they are in the lake, and you cannot rely on the river to take you wherever you want. If you want to go on land, how can you do that? You must have puddles, so you can go wherever you want.
Yes.
A girl in a car.
He's smiling.
She
And
is
she is smiling.
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 She has a smile on her face, but she is smiling. She is.
Yeah. And he has
She's wearing a belt.
No, I don't want to say that. I want
She's
to
wearing
say
a belt.
he has a short hair and brown short hair.
Brown shorts and the red t-shirt,
Yes.
and she's wearing
I
the belt.
And me, I have a little bit red hair.
Okay.
And I have a little bit.
A boy in an airplane.
Yes.
In an airplane. So
We go to the
that
France.
is the France.
Yes.
We speak French, but we go to France.
France. Yes.
A boy on an airplane. You have the boy,
Yes.
and he's on an airplane.
He's angry. I don't know what to go.
Okay.
You want to go?
Boy and the dog. You have the boy and the dog. Yeah.
The boy smiling. The dog is not smiling
It's not smiling.
because they not want to smile. It's so bad.
Okay. A boy under an airplane.
Yes.
I guess that's we have finished. Let's stop recording.